Children, in optical instrument, as we are knowing, one is microscope and especially compound microscope, and another telescope, refracting type and reflecting type. First here see, in the compound microscope, two lenses, objective and eyepiece. The aperture and focal length of objective is less than that of eyepiece. Just to see here, the focal length of eyepiece is more than that of objective. Now if a small object AB is just after the focal length of objective, so that a virtual, real and inverted image is formed. This image will act as an object for this eyepiece. By adjusting the eyepiece, we can form as the result is required, as the image is required. If eyepiece is adjusted in such a way that the image A dash B dash falls within its focal length, then a virtual and erect image enlarged A dash B dash is formed. This is image formation at D. D is the least distance of distinct vision. Now how we define the magnifying power? Magnification or magnifying power, or sometimes the angular magnification, is the ratio of the angle subtended by final image, that is here A dash B dash, at the eye to the angle subtended by object when both are placed at D. This final image we are considering here at D. So if the object is placed directly at D and seen by the eye, then let it be here this angle is alpha, means so when object is at D, subtends an angle alpha to the eye, and image subtends angle beta. So magnification is, angular magnification is beta by alpha. Now in another way we can write the magnification, combined magnification is m naught into me. M naught means magnification produced by objective will be minus V naught. Here this distance will be the V naught, O to A dash, this distance, by U naught. And magnification produced by eye lens is 1 plus D by Fe when the final image at D. So combined magnification is m equal to V by minus U naught into 1 plus D by Fe. If this A dash B dash is close to the eye lens, then V naught is nearly equal to length of the telescope. So this magnification we may write as L by, and this U naught, if this AB is very close to the focal length, then that nearly equal to F naught. So this we can write L by minus F naught into 1 plus D by Fe. Minus means the final image is inverted with respect to the object. If the final image is at D infinity, then magnification will be V naught by minus U naught into D by Fe. And the resolving power, though resolving power this year not in our syllabus, but resolving power we can remember As an empirical formula, resolving power is 2n sine theta by 1.22 lambda. Next is the telescope. See, it's the ray diagram. Now we can say here the objective of having okay beta, let us come to that part. Resolving power. What is resolving power? Ability to see the two distinct objects clearly. Means up to what distance our eye can see the two very close objects distinctly. That distance is resolving limit. An inverse of resolving limit is resolving power. And the resolving power of microscope is 2n sine theta by 1.22 lambda. N is the refractive index of the medium between object and objective, and the sine theta is semi-vertex angle of the objective, and lambda is the wavelength of the light coming from the object. It is the resolving power. Now the astronomical telescope. And astronomical telescope is of two types, refracting type and reflecting type. In the refracting type, two convex lens of suitable focal length are used. The lens which is near to the object, facing the object, that is objective, its focal length is more, aperture is more, and the eye lens which is near to the eye called eyepiece or eye lens we can say. Here since telescope is used to see far objects and the light coming from afar objects, we can take it parallel, and the parallel light due to this convex lens converges at its focus. If eye lens is adjusted in such a way that this image lie on the focal length of eyepiece, then what happens? Then final image is also formed at infinity. It is called the normal adjustment. Normal adjustment means when image is far away, that is at infinity, our eye remains relaxed. But when at D, that is the least distance of distinct region, our eyes is not relaxed. So remember and read the questions very carefully whether it is asking normal adjustment or the image at the least distance of distinct region. Now it's angular magnification. Yes, क्या बेटा? No. In this adjustment, it is the normal adjustment, means a final image at infinity. What we have to do? That we will see the later on. Ki how we can draw the diagram in the normal adjustment and when the final image is at D. It's again see the magnifying power is the ratio of angle subtended by image to the angle subtended by object at eyes when both are at infinity. Let the angle subtended by object when the object is at infinity is alpha, and angle subtended by image is beta, then in triangle see here OFEI and EFEI, what will be? The beta means magnification is beta by alpha. For a small angle, beta can be written as tan beta and alpha can be written as tan alpha. So if we here tan beta equal to this perpendicular by base, tan alpha equal to this perpendicular by this base, and this we will get F naught by Fe. See, the question is why the focal length of refracting telescope or in the telescope is of large focal length, so that magnification will be higher. Why its focal length is smaller? Again magnification will be higher. Another is, see here, reflecting type telescope, or it is known as Cassegrain type. In Cassegrain type or reflecting type telescope, in place of lens, mirror is used. What is the advantage of using mirror? In the lens, see here the diagram both taken. In the lens, now the medium of light changes, so there's a chromatic aberration, means the color, different colors here travel due to its wavelength with the different speed. But while in the reflection, light remains in the same medium, so there's no chromatic aberration. Also, in the lens, two spherical surfaces are used, so there's a possibility of a spherical aberration. Aberration means we can say demerit. But in the mirror, only one surface is used, so there's no spherical aberration. Here, light remains in the same medium, so the intensity of the image will be also the bright. So this is here the primary mirror, or we can say a concave mirror, act as an objective mirror. Parallel lights due to this concave mirror will converge at its focus, but here another mirror is used, that is the secondary mirror, but it is the convex which reflect the light, and this light here collected at the eye, it is the eyepiece. Its magnification is same, so magnification of telescope, that is F naught by Fe. Another reflecting type telescope is also there, that is Newtonian type telescope. In Newtonian type telescope, in place here the convex mirror, a plane mirror is used. Only that is the difference between Cassegrain and Newtonian. Now here see the comparison. Just we have seen what's the advantage between the reflecting and refracting type telescope. Here see in this first diagram, right hand side, the parallel light due to this objective lens converges at a focus. If the lens eyepiece is adjusted in such a way that the image falls on its focal length, then if all the lights, if an object is placed at focus, we have studied in class 10 in the image formation, or you can draw here, when the object is placed at focus, the final image is at infinity, and this is called the normal adjustment. But see here, in the second diagram, again the parallel light are coming, converges here at the focus, converges at a point, but now this eyepiece is adjusted in such a way that this image A dash B dash is lie within the focal length of eyepiece. Then here a virtual and erect image is formed. Virtual and erect image of E dash B dash, this final image, and it is the image at least distance of distinct vision. Now its resolving power is the same, but here in place of 2n sine theta, here diameter d by 1.22 lambda. It is the empirical formula without derivation. So question is, why diameter of objective kept larger? To increase its resolving power. And the lambda here, if changes, means color changes, then resolving power will change. It is all about the reflecting or refracting type